Take a deep breath and gently release it. Today's passage is for the days when life feels too heavy, too beautiful, too confusing, too intense, all at once. Because life will bring you to your knees. And it's not always a punishment, sometimes it's preparation. Life will bring you to your knees with pain, the kind that shakes you, softens you, breaks you open from the inside. The kind that forces you to look at yourself in a way you have avoided for years. Pain is not pleasant, but it is powerful. It strips away the illusions you have held on to, the ones that told you that your worth was outside yourself, that safety was outside yourself, that love was outside yourself. And then, just as unexpectedly, life will bring you to your knees with beauty. A sunrise, a moment of kindness, a quiet realization that you are stronger than you knew. A tiny miracle disguised as an ordinary moment. A warm cup of tea, someone remembering your name, a soft breeze on a hot day. These are the gentle touches that remind you that being alive is not just about suffering, but also about wonder. Life will weather down your defenses, the walls you built to feel safe, the layers you created to protect your heart, the stories you told yourself to survive, not to weaken you, but to strengthen you. Because underneath those layers is the real you, the you who can love deeply, risk boldly, trust again, dream again. Life will bruise your heart until it breaks open, not to shatter you, but to expand you. Every heartbreak, every disappointment, every unexpected turn is actually shaping you into someone more compassionate, more real, more spiritually awake. The truth is, life teaches you slowly that the answers are not out there. The healing is not outside. The miracle is not outside. The clarity is not outside. It's all inside. Always has been. Life moves both slower and faster than we expect. Slow enough to taste our patience. Fast enough to remind us that everything is temporary. And somewhere in between those extremes, something incredible happens. You begin to trust. You trust the timings. You trust the delays. You trust the detours. You trust the moments that don't make sense yet. You trust the unfolding of your own destiny. And eventually, you begin to trust yourself. You start to believing the releasing of all the layers of illusion that once stood between you and the life you dreamed of. You start to recognize that your deepest desires are not random. They are messages from the soul, reminders of what you came here to become. So, if life has brought you to your knees, stay there for a moment. Don't rush to stand. Don't rush to fix anything. Feel the ground beneath you. Feel your breath. Feel your heart beating. This is not that. This is the awakening. Hear your daily challenge. Find the hidden miracle. Today, spend a few moments actively looking for one ordinary miracle, something small but profoundly beautiful. It could be the smell of rain, a warm cup of tea, someone smiling at you, a moment of peace, a memory that warms your heart. Write it down, notice it, receive it. This strengthens your ability to see life's quiet magic.